What's up, guys? So today's video is about something I did kind of stupid. So we're gonna check this out on the truck. I've been having a little issues with stuff like this. You know, this truck is a 1997. It's just, you know, it's a nice truck, but it needs a little modifying. So what I decided to do was take this one off right here. Come off really nice. So I tried to move on. Well, the yellow from the 3M has got in there. This has been buffed, it has been polished, all the good stuff like that. So, well, not that big of a deal. I will take it all off because it's all wrinkling up everywhere, you know. But what I did was I just bought new stuff. I'll just put it over the yellow and we'll be all good again. So if you guys decide you want to take this stuff off, I don't advise it unless you're gonna put new stuff right back on, because you will have this problem. Now, a little advice: if you are gonna take this stuff off, what you need to do is you just need to pull it a little bit, and you need to take a razor knife and you need to cut without cutting your paint, and you need to cut, because if not, if you don't cut this stuff off, it will tear your paint right off your truck. So you can see where I started pulling, not knowing, and where I cut it nicely off. So like I said, you just have to cut it, then you have to roll this stuff off. It's a little pain, but it'll come off. This is one of the hardest sections, that's why it's still on there. So don't take it off unless you're gonna put new stuff on. Later, guys.